Okay.
Wow, 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 whoa, oh.
Hey, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. We're doing a try-on haul. So let me walk y'all through on how to add 2 codes to your order. So you click on me if you're using the app, the little person, and then it should pop up like, you know, the settings. You click under more services, my reference. Then you put in this code is my code, and then you can add a discount code towards the end of your order. My package came beat up. And then the mailman, he busted it open. He be throwing people's packages on the ground and stuff. Like, you know how people are supposed to walk on to the porch and put it down? No. He don't want to walk on those of the porches. He just be tossing them. And I heard why the box break, so I went downstairs and he was gone like 2 seconds later. Yeah, you busted my box. And here's the stuff straight out the box. Like, bow. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna try these pants on, and then I'm gonna like try the tops on, you know, get the idea of it. I'm gonna have the size for everything like pop up on the screen. For each item, because I got different sizes for every item. For some shirts and some materials, I get like a small to a medium, and or an extra small. It literally depends on the material and the stretch and stuff like that. Yeah, let me go put these on real quick. All right, so these are what they look like outside the package. Straight out the bag, they got a strong smell to them. So if you want to air them out before you wear them, I say wash them, like wash all these clothes before you wear them to see how they react. But yeah, how they look on me. I can't turn. It's not letting me turn. See? Ooh, I'm trying to turn. All right, they're quite tight up here. Like, I really have room to breathe, really. So I say I should have got a small. So this is what it looks like. They're kind of see-through. Dummy high waist, look. But you can like scrunch it down a little. This is a small. I don't know if they had extra small. I should have got an extra small. But this is what it looks like on me. I also got this, but this is a small. I should have got an extra small. It's not like tight, but it's loose. I mean, it's not loose. It's like it fits me. But like, this is what it looks like. It's like, this is how cropped it is. Here's this top. This is a small, and like you can see the cutoff is just because it's a different color. It would be like the same material. No, it's not. This one's tighter. So if you like get a peek, get a size up, because this stuff is like, it hurts to bend my arm. It's like really tight, but this is what the pink looks like on me. This is really cute. I don't know how to feel about this. Like, am I wearing it wrong? Oh yeah, okay, there we go. Ooh. So, I don't know how to feel. Is this on right? Like I said, it's basic. So these are what they look like. They are like a weird stretchy material. Like, it's like they had spandex, leggings, and they just put some print on it. Okay, so I had got a size up because from what I heard, if I would have got the regular size, it would have been too tight. And I could see that. Like, this fits me okay, you know. And these you can buckle to your belt. The back is like cropped for real. I still can't fit the arms. Here we have this. Yes, I still have this. You see? I think it's like, well, I thought it was see-through. This is what it looks like. It's weird. It's fitted around your arms, but not like anywhere else. All right, this is what this shirt looks like on me. I like it. But it's the back. I mean, it's cute. I just can't fit it. This is this top. You gotta tie it separately, each piece. I think I put it on right. Did I? Don't come for me in the comments, I swear. I be trying. One thing about this, you can turn it into a regular shirt. See? You see how that cropped up like that? And then you can tie it when you're done. Or like, and then you can tighten it. Or you can tie it like to fit you. Alright, so this shirt. So it's like double end zippers. It's not zipping. The bottom is not zipping no more. It's like stuck right here. Okay. Okay, so yeah. You can zip it however you want. But yeah, this is a shirt. It's like, I mean, if you zip it down, it'll fit. But like, when you zip it all the way down, it can fit you. But like, when you unzip it, it's kind of loose, you know. Simple, something light. I like this material. Real t-shirty. Same thing for the thing. Don't keep it dry too long. It just smells terrible. Like, the stuff that got graphics on it, it stinks so bad. Good gosh. But this just says thanks for nothing. Basic tee. Is it see-through? It's not see-through. These how they fit me. They go to your ankle. It's like scruffy part. It's like irritating my ankles. But they go to my ankles. They also have a zipper on the inside. So you don't have to struggle like I just did trying to take them off. Okay, so I got this hoodie is 90s baby. I got 2 sizes up because I want it to fit kind of big. Glad I did because this is like the material that will hug you. It's not like a hoodie material. It's like a shirt. This is a tube top. Like black dress. It goes to my knees. My shoulders. Do I have it on right? Yeah, it's real tarkable wool. But this is the blue one. And they got the scrunchie thing. Oh!
You had one job. Just the one.
They got the scrunchy things like the crop top. So like, you can pull it up and make it a shorter dress. And you can fit it. And this is a shirt dress. You know, you can wear it with biker shorts and stuff. It's so cute. It's basic, but I need to stop being basic. But yeah, but they're like stretchy, so like that. You know, that's what it looks like. This is what I look like with them on, and like you can wear them as real sunglasses. You see them? You see them? Yeah. Like I said, it would look better if like my hair was done, but right now it's not. So I look like Afro Circus. So. You already know the deal. Okay, I'm gonna take these bracelets off before I get too bougie on y'all. These are the black ones. I got the black and gray ones. Ooh. Oh no. These are the gray ones, and these are the black ones. See, I was thinking about getting the black and red, but I don't really have much of anything that's red. Like, I'm trying to change up my wardrobe because literally my wardrobe is neutral colors. Black, gray, and white. I'm so serious. These are kind of like flimsy, just a little bit. But like, these are like, I would say they're small face friendly. Like, they're more for, because if... you have like a, you know, chubby little face or a wide face. I don't know. It would like break them because the sticks are fragile and they're stuck straight. Like they're stuck going a certain way. If you bend them outwards, they will snap. Or they will like squeeze your face. But yeah, these are the black ones. You already know.
That's the end of this video. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.